Yo, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can make money using your Gate.io. So Gate.io has this nice feature that I've never seen on any other exchange. It's not on Binance, it's not on KuCoin, but Gate.io is one of those very few that has this particular feature. And with this feature, you can make a lot of money from it. I hope you guys like and subscribe. This is what my channel is all about. I tell you about apps, tell you about secret things in the crypto, how to balance your crypto journey and all of those stuff, price prediction, all of those stuff also. So if you want to get more of this, make sure you like and subscribe. So that being said, let's dive right into the video. So first of all, you need to get a Gate.io account. Check in the description, you're going to see the account, or check the comment I pinned, you're going to see the link. You're going to see the link to register. Use the code and yeah, you can register with my own link and you can get some reward for that. So now after that, you need to do your KYC. You need to do your KYC and all of that. Go to your security settings and you do a two-factor authenticator. That way you now have a Gate.io account. So one lovely thing about the Gate.io account is that it gives you a lot of it gives opportunity to buy so many coins that are not available on Binance. So those cheap, or those very cheap low market kind of coins that can make you millions. I'm always talking about this kind of coins in my YouTube. Make sure you like and subscribe. So guys, now let's go down into the future. So now if you have your Gate.io account set up and ready, you can see I'm on markets. You can tune to trade, you can tune to futures, but right now I'm on market. So on market, you need to see stuff above. You can see top gainers, you can see spot, you can see futures. Now scroll, take a scroll guys, take a scroll. All right, this is spot, right? So take a scroll, go to newcomers. If you guys can see that, so let me do that again. So make sure you're on market. Then you can see where it says spot, top gainers and all of that. Now go to new. You can see loan very close to new and index, so just click on new. Now these are new coins that are going to be listed on Gate.io. So now this is the trick. I'm going to show you guys the trick at the end of this video. There's a secret at the end of this video. So now these are new coins that Gate.io will be launching very soon. So let it load. Look at the number of coins that Gate.io will be launching very soon. Now if you scroll down more, you're going to see some they have already launched, and you can see huge percentage that these coins have launched. So if you see this video on my YouTube, just know I've sent this video to my VIP group for a long time. The VIP group is just only $6 a month, and you get webinars. I talk about NFTs and all these things, secret things to make money, things you can actually not hear on YouTube. I'm going to be telling you guys all that. I'm also going to teach you so you can understand this thing from scratch. All right, so if you scroll down, you can see a lot of them that has done well. At least this one called referral has done about 1,228%. So every other one you see here has gone up because of the whole crypto market it's down at the moment. That's why these ones are down. So but when these ones were launched, they were at the top, but right now they are going down. So a lot of coins, these coins you're not going to see them on Binance. Some of these coins are great projects, very nice, great project behind it. And when Gate.io releases this coin on their platform, boom, it shoots up. So but now here's the catch. Before I end this video, here's the catch. So okay, now before that catch, this is just one of them. So APT is coming in the next 51 minutes. APT is going to be released. So when it's released or launches, price is going to spark, right? So and you can just click on trade and go trade them. But now here's the catch. If you do that on Gate.io, you will be slow. All right, so Gate.io is just launching this. So the engine that takes your trade, put it in the market and you make money is quite slow. I don't know why Gate.io has to fix something about that. So but now this is it. You have to just take APT. You go to your browser, or you go to CoinMarketCap and type APT. The coin appears, and be careful. This one is called, the first one is APT ETH, while the other one is called APT USDT. So go for the one with always be USDT, because you have USDT on your Gate.io. So now take this coin APT, go to CoinMarketCap, search APT, is going to come out. Take the contract address, go to your PancakeSwap or Uniswap, wherever blockchain it is, and try to buy this coin there already. So now here's the catch. If this coin is already existing with and it has pumped before and Gates.io is about launching them, that coin will not do well. But if that coin has not launched anywhere or has launched on only just one platform or just one platform elsewhere, not a very popular platform, just one of those small exchanges, you are going to make a lot of money from that. So you just have to you be fast when you do this. When you go to CoinMarketCap and add it to your Trust Wallet or your Pancake Swap, then when price goes up, try to withdraw whatever you have gained. I'm not a financial advisor, but what I do with this method is that I use $10. Sometimes I use $20. So if the trade goes against me, I don't mind. It's just $10. But if the trade goes my way, I can be popping out with maybe $200 or $700. Now you can do this again and again and again because there are a lot of coins that are going to be coming out. So this one is one of my best secrets. I do make money even though the market is falling down, going up. I use this method to make a lot of money. So for more questions, if you want to ask me more questions, make sure you join my VIP group. Is just $6, and I'm very sure you guys are going to love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If this video added something to you, maybe share it to a friend, or like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.